This video presents my project titled Creating Playful Comics Together with AI. A little bit about me, I'm Yana Knight, and I'm an artist making comics, cartoons, zines, graphic novels, potato mushrooms, imaginary friends, and countries. And my work is inspired by the very experience of living a life with a humorous and playful streak. I use quite a lot of experimentation in my work, storytelling and performance, and recently I've been experimenting with machine learning tools to create all kinds of different artwork. And so my more regular kind of work is mostly comics, and I collect daily situations and happenings as kind of data for future projects, a sort of a record of my life. And then they become larger projects such as zines or maybe publications, comics, or graphic novels. And I teach this approach to people online and in real life. And so the project I'm presenting here is Comics with AI, and it's very much based on my regular comic making approach. So it starts from there, except I am making these in collaboration with machine learning tools. So I start from my own comics that I have collected, like the ones I've shown you, and then I let the machine play with it by using various sorts of tools and various types of tools. So here we've got original drawing on the left, a drawing of me making potato mushrooms with a spiralizer machine. And then these are fed into the machine learning tool and the artwork output on the right. And the same with Animals on the Beach. Here you have the original hand-drawn comic and then the artwork produced by the machine. So this approach can be used to create a sort of short sequences or animations, such as this surrealist piece titled How to Turn Your Mushrooms into Pancakes. So here we have the familiar mushroom making image, which is used now with different kinds of prompts, and this way we create a short sequence of sorts. This story of a man unwrapping a cow is a similar kind of thing. And then we can create a kind of one-shot silent comics, such as Animals Contemplating or these Adventures of Don Quixote. And I create also visual stories, which are mostly hand-drawn, but some frames are drawn by the tool, such as in this case you have frame number 2, which is drawn by the tool from my hand drawing of frame number 1 and a text prompt from me. You also can make zines with this, where AI becomes a very important part of the storytelling process. So on the left we have a zine about never seeing a moose. So it's a mooseless zine, and then I use AI to put the animal back into the landscape, given the artwork of the zine. And so I teach this approach in different kinds of workshops, as you can see one here, and then these are some of the extracts from the tool's interface, and of course thank yous.